Welcome to HTML4 video series, and this is part 23 where we are going to focus on forms today. So what is form? Think of form as some piece of a paper where people are asking you some information and you need to fill in. That thing is called as a form. So can we have something like that in HTML? Exactly, we do have something like that. So think of this situation as like you have gone for an interview at Microsoft or Google, whatever your favorite company is, and when you go there, they first of all they give you a form and they ask you to provide some details like your first name, last name, etc., etc. Where do you stay? Attach your resume. What is your gender? What is your mobile number, phone number, email address, etc., etc. So basically, what form means to collect the data from the user, the end user, right? So if we think the form in terms of HTML, what is it? It is just a bunch of controls which help us to collect the information from the user. Think of you are programming this form, right? So how does this form look like? Okay, let's have a look. This form looks like something like this. So in the end we are going to build something like this. So now over here let's do something. I'm gonna write something, Maverick123. I'm gonna write some password, I'm gonna write some text. Okay, I am male not female, so I'm pretty sure, blah 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 @gmail.com. And why do you want to join us? Well, I have chosen to die, so that's a good option. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And what is your picture? I have submitted something, and that's it. And I agree to your terms and stupid conditions. So this is a bunch of controls what we have. So generally this is what happens, like when you submit your resume or you buy something online, you provide the information to the website using these controls, right? So what are these controls? This control is called as the input type controls. Okay, these are the controls called as inputs, where they take input from you, but they have the different things. Now if you look at this control against this one, so this is a text control which lets you accept the text from the user. When you look at that, this is the password type. Okay, then this control is the text area, which lets you take more information rather than taking over here. So it helps, so it's good. Then over here it tells you like what are you, male or female. So these controls are called as radio buttons. Okay, then this is again a normal text where you enter the email. This control is very special control. It's called as a drop down, which you use a lot, which gives you an option to choose something from this multiple option, right? So it depends like what you want to go. Even I could have done the male and female in the same style if I wanted, but I chose go with radio buttons because presentation wise it looks nice. Then this is the last place where I want to upload something, so this is a file control. And in the end what you see over here is a checkbox. Okay, so based on this click you do something, right? So now you are familiar with the controls, so let's start building them one by one. So in the next video I'm going to start taking things very slowly, and I'll explain you like how do you write these controls. But before that I want you to go and look at my table video, because what I've done is since past we are working with tables, so I have used the table along with this. If you normally work with this control, then presentation would not be that nice. Alright, so I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Good night and take care.